I would, yes, say yes to that only because of the reasons you mentioned. But you don't have to limit yourself to the government based companies out here. There are a lot of startups in DC which they're looking for interns. I would say that is a disadvantage in the DC area, but there will be small companies around in the area if you really want to work for a short term experience in an internship based structure. You can definitely land yourself with something. I remember there were a lot of startups, companies coming to you where if you were networking well, you would get yourself hands-on a startup-based culture and startup culture-based company. I would say all of us. I do not know anyone who did not have a job, an internship. So there were a lot of career fairs, and because there was ample of startups around in the area, I think all of us just grabbed opportunities at these startups. Maybe because we were just 40, 50 of us, I can further help you accurately answer this. I can try and connect you with the next batch, someone from the next batch, and see how they did in their summer. All of them come. Their first preference is definitely to pick up the CS kids. They do come in for masters kids as well, experienced kids to Smith School. Not as often as CS school, but they'll come at least in one career fair over the year. Every semester will have a career fair. So there'll be a winter fair, then there'll be a springtime fair. I think at least two, definitely. I don't know what the third would be. Fall fair. Yeah, every semester will have a fair. You can do an unpaid if you are struggling with getting a paid internship, but that should really be your last option. I did a paid internship at a very small firm in very close to the campus. My shuttle went there literally, so I had good access. This place was called Paradigm Management. It was a BI, business intelligence service line company, and they paid me not as much as people who would get jobs at bigger companies, but yeah, they gave me good experience, which then got me a job at EY. I know at least two of my friends who did unpaid internship, and that paid out well for them in terms of experience and strengthening their profile. I think the minimum wage is $7 or $8 right now, so you've got to be paid at least that much, and then over that depends on how big the company or how frugal the startup is. You should land yourself at least $10 to $15, anything between that per hour. That was because of the GA, right? It's a graduate assistantship program. If you're an RA or a TA, it really depends. It could be 15 to 20. But I personally did a job on campus in the library as an student assistant, and I got paid $9 and then it increased to $11. So yeah, that was what I got.